Welcome to Tech Notice. This is the attempt 2 of unboxing and editing laptop. Let's see how this goes with this one. So let's open the box up. Interestingly enough, there isn't any Amazon Prime labels, just like a clear tape, which is interesting. And here we have the box. Okay, this is Dell XPS 15. You already know this from the title, but looking at the specs over here, Full HD display, 8th generation Intel i7 8750H, 16 gigs of memory, 512 gigabytes of SSD, GTX 1050 Ti with 4 gigabytes of RAM, Windows 10, fingerprint readers as well, which is pretty cool. The Razer one didn't have a fingerprint reader, so let's open this one up and let's see. It looks really oddly packaged, just like this was bought from Amazon, by the way. Just very odd taping, you know, there's no like nice labels. So far, Razer unboxing was much nicer. Let's have a look. Yeah, it feels proper botched, actually. As if someone's opened the box already. Okay, box inside the box. Okay, main box on the side. First of all, let's look at the power brick. Well, power brick is just like a small one like that. Looks really small, half decent size. It's a 130 watt power plug, so I'll put that on the side. And then we have the UK plug as well. Let's have a look at this laptop then. Okay, so we have a matte Dell, a little bit of a glossy logo on the side here. And I guess you just like open it up like that. Here we go. That looks very slick. Okay, wow, this is very thin. Okay, we've got some guides and stuff on here, and please recycle responsibly. And as you can see, there's some whales over here. 100% recycled plastics, 25% from oceans. So Dell's trying to save the world. Now, if I'm completely honest, the Razer unboxing was much nicer experience. If you don't know that I unboxed the Razer laptop, just check it up there and you can see the unboxing of that and how it went. But so far it's much nicer unboxing with Razer. Okay, the laptop feels like a little bit like MacBook type of aluminium feel. And there's XPS like little flap over here where you have all your details and things like that are protected from when you rub it against things, and over time, you know, it gets rid of it. Just the stickers go and the writings go, then it's nicely underneath here. XPS, which is pretty nice. So on the side we have here is the power cord. We have a USB 3, I suppose. We have a full HDMI port. There is USB-C port and then headphone jack. Then on this side, we have an SD card slot, which is fantastic. And then we have another USB 3. There's a power checker, which I quite like. And then a Kensington lock space over here if you're used to that type of stuff. Let's give it a go, see if this is the editing laptop. Let's have a look. Okay, that was interesting. Usually there's some kind of paper between the screen and the keyboard. And I can see straight away that the webcam is on the bottom over there, which is a little bit odd. And this is it over here. Very interesting. So let's turn it on, see if it turns on. That was a long time to come on. I don't know if you can see. There is the Dell logo on the screen. Okay guys, now this is just the Windows configurations and setting it all up. So if you did enjoy this, leave it a like, leave a comment below if you have any other questions. If you want to watch my Razer video, I'll leave a link below. I'm gonna set this up and we're gonna see if this is gonna be my editing laptop. I know this is a quick unboxing video, but the reason why I'm making the unboxing is that when you're choosing an editing laptop, there's all these different parts of the product that are important. Obviously, the main thing is how does it perform and does it work and things like that. But also the unboxing experience is, I think, important. I like a good unboxing experience because that's your first impression. So far, I think Razer left me a bit of a better unboxing experience, but I'm gonna give this Dell a go and see how it is. Now, if you want some future videos about this, then subscribe and stay tuned for that. What's coming up is just some videos. If you move all your editing onto a laptop, can you do it? Can you work everything from a laptop? That's my big question, and let's do it. Just guys, remember that you don't always need the latest, fastest laptop and pay thousands of dollars or pounds to get one laptop. Just remember, just check what type of data are you working with. With my cameras and things like that, I can easily get like, this is not the latest one, and you know this. Dell's released much later versions of this one. Actually, recently Dell upgraded the XPS 15 and changed the naming a little bit. What I'm trying to say is, there's plenty of a little bit old versions of laptops available that can be very, very awesomely good and fit for you perfectly. Not just laptops, but generally products. Now I'm going on a rant. It's time to end this video. Thanks guys for watching. Bye. But so far the Razer unboxing experience was much nicer.
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Okay.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay...